When did all this take shape?
Last few months, the Irish hate the Mexicans. It's way too tense. We want out.
We just can't leave Galindo high and dry. So we need somebody to replace the IRA hardware.
Those are some serious weapons. It's not like bringing in a few cases of AKs.
Henry, we're handing you the winning ticket in the Mexican gun lottery. Can you do it, or should we go someplace else?
I can dip into Gaza, probably get my hands on something comparable. German snipers, gas some rockets, some anti-tank shit.
Off